Assalamu alaikum. Russian's top clothing brand Ice Bangladesh for production shipped. Russian's largest clothing manufacturer Gloria Jeans is planning to relocate part of its production capacity abroad due to labor shortage in the country. Gloria Jeans currently operates 18 factories across Russia. Gloria Jeans, which primarily produces clothing and footwear, is considering Bangladesh as one of the potential destinations for its production. Historically, Russia's clothing manufacturers have favored China for production. However, rising labor costs in China have made it less attractive compared to countries like Bangladesh and Uzbekistan. The Russian clothing industry's skilled labor shortage is worsening, with the third quarter of 2024 seeing an even greater gap than before.